Oh, look. See, I'm a big boy. I sit up all by myself. Hey, William, look at this. William. What are you looking at over there? Oh, what do you see? You're looking around. Say, I like sitting up by myself. I'm a big boy now. Yeah. Hello. Say, look, Grandma. My pants are getting too small for me already. Okay, say bye-bye.